This is my newest lathe. It's a machine that was made in the late 40s by Small Machines Incorporated from Los Angeles. Later models, possibly as late as 1951 or 2, were made or also carried the name Man-Son lathes. This model is pretty interesting for a number of reasons. I have it set up now for turning between centers, and it has a standard lantern style tool post, and it has longitudinal feed, as most lathes do, but it also has power feed, longitudinal only, has a cross feed, manual, does not have a compound. One thing that I thought was pretty neat is it has a back gear. In fact, it was just running in back gear. So I will take it out of back gear and run at full speed. I slide the gears out and in, and that serves the same function as the lever on the back of our South Bend lathes. And the screw that I just put in is the same thing as the pin in the bull gear on our South Bends. So now this is the full speed. Now I can't change the power feed relative to the RPM of the work the way you can on our South Bends, but that's a small price to pay. Later versions of this had a threaded spindle nose to accept a chuck. This takes watchmaker's collets that are the same size as the ones that I use in my jeweler's lathes, 8mm collets. So I can put that in, chuck a piece of work in there. But also, although this lathe didn't come with this, I have a chuck that I had with my other lathes, which do not have any kind of cross feed or power longitudinal feed or anything. They're strictly manual. But this works not with a conventional chuck wrench, but with two bars, and you turn them in opposition and it opens or closes the jaws. It also has a tip over tool post that you can use manually for wood turning or manually working a piece of metal. Anyhow, I thought that was pretty cool find. Judy happened to see it listed in garage sales, and here's something just for scale, although you did see my hand in there before. So that's it, the latest in a line of lathes. Thanks for watching.